All the principal oilseeds like groundnut, soybean and mustard are grown in India. We are going to study about oilseeds with their geographical requirements and distribution. Groundnut. Groundnut is also known as peanut or monkey nut. The nuts are found in the roots of the plant. It is used for the manufacture of hydrogenated oil, medical emulsions and soap. It is used as a cooking medium. The oil cake is used as cattle feed. There are two types of groundnut plants. Number 1, the runner type. It is shorter in height, grows horizontally over a large area. Number 2, bunch type. It grows to a height of 30 to 45 centimeters. It grows vertically. Climatic conditions. It thrives well in the tropical and subtropical climates and is damaged by frost. The groundnut is a rabi crop in Orissa and in southern states. In rest of India, it is a kharif crop. It requires about 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius temperature. Dry weather is required during ripening. Rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeters is ideal. Prolonged drought, continuous rain, stagnant water and frost harm the crop. Soil. Sandy loams and well-drained black soils which allow enough aeration are considered suitable for groundnut cultivation. Methods of cultivation. Sowing. The sandy soil is plowed, then the seeds are sown by broadcasting or drilling. In June or July, when the plants mature, they flower. After self-pollination, the flower stalk elongates. Groundnut is a kharif crop in most parts of India. The crop is sown in June to July and harvested in November to December, but in Tamil Nadu it is a summer crop sown in February to March and harvested in June to July. Harvesting. The entire plant, including the roots, is removed from the soil. Groundnuts are dried and packed into sacks to be sent to mills or commercial establishments. Distribution. India is the second largest producer of groundnuts in the world after China. Groundnut is a tropical crop and is extensively grown in peninsular India. Telangana and Tamil Nadu together account for more than half of the groundnuts produced in India. Gujarat is the leading producer of groundnuts in India. The other groundnut producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. Mustard. Mustard oil seeds are crushed to get an important edible oil. It is used extensively in northern India as a cooking medium. In Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana, the oil cake of mustard is an important cattle feed. The leaves of mustard, sarson, are eaten as vegetable in Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. Mustard thrives only in cool climate and that is why it is widely grown in Satluj Ganga plain. It is grown mostly as pure rabi crop or mixed with wheat, gram and barley. Climatic conditions. Temperature and rainfall. Since mustard grows best in cool climate, it is grown in temperature which ranges from 10 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius. The crop requires rainfall varying between 25 to 40 centimeters. Soil. Mustard can be grown on loams, but slightly heavier soils are preferred. Methods of cultivation. Mustard is grown with wheat, gram, barley in rows in the same climatic conditions. Its growing period is 4 to 5 months. It is harvested about 1 or 2 weeks before the main crop and collected in heaps in the granary. The seeds are separated by getting them trampled under the bullock's feet. Distribution. About 90% of the area and production is contributed by Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh and Haryana. The rest comes from Assam, Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa Gujarat, and Jammu and Kashmir. Soya bean. Soya bean has a high protein content. The beans may be eaten as vegetable or made into soya sauce. Soya bean is a substitute for animal protein. It is consumed as soya milk and tofu. It is a leguminous plant and enriches the soil. Climatic conditions. Soya bean is a light-colored oval bean raised as a kharif crop. It is sown in the month of June. Care is however taken that the time lag between the sowing time and the onset of heavy monsoon rains is about 2 weeks, since heavy rainfall adversely affects the germination of soybean seeds. Temperature. It requires temperature in the range of 13 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Temperature above 13 degrees Celsius is necessary for the normal growth of soybean. Rainfall. Soybean grows in regions with 40 centimeters to 60 centimeters of rainfall. The rainfall should be well distributed throughout the growing season. Soil. It thrives well on friable loamy acidic soils. Methods of cultivation. The crop needs 3 to 4 irrigation during its growing period. Before sowing, its seeds are covered with good, jaggery and rhizobium. Rhizobium fixes nitrogen in soil. It allows saving 50% on fertilizers. At present, it is mainly a rain-fed crop. It is harvested in the middle of October. Distribution. The most important soybean producing areas lies in Madhya Pradesh and the adjoining districts of Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Madhya Pradesh is the leading producer of soya bean.